USB-C to micro USB charge and sync cable enables you to connect a USB-C equipped laptop to micro USB equipped devices, smartphones, tablets, game controllers, power banks, Bluetooth headphones, cameras, etc. Plug and play, no dongles or adapters needed. Broad compatibility. This cable is compatible with all laptops that equipped with USB-C female port, such as MacBook 2015, MacBook Pro 2016, Chromebook Pixel, ASUS Zen AiO, ThinkPad New S2, ThinkPad T570, Alienware 17, Yoga 900, Huawei MateBook, HP Pavilion X2, HP Spectre X2 and so on. USB-C is compatible with Thunderbolt 3. Universal practicality. The USB-C to micro-B cable could connect MacBook Pro or other Type-C laptops to Android phone or tablet for charging and syncing, widely compatible with most Android devices, such as Galaxy S7, S6, S5 Edge, Note 5, 4, 3, Nexus 6P, Galaxy Tab S3, Huawei MediaPad M3, and Xbox One controller, PS4, etc. Convenient versatility. Type-C to micro-B cable not only charges devices but also transfers data. With 2A, max, power output, charging phone faster. File transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second, max, for USB 2.0 devices, backward compatibles with full-speed USB 1.1, 12 megabits per second, and low-speed USB 1.0, 1.5 megabits per second. Everlasting durability. This Type-C to micro USB cable with premium TPE housing and ABS contacts, which could extend its service life to a large extent and make it withstands a test of 10,000 plus plug and unplug. TPE housing makes the cable anti-bending, usually takes up less space and more durable. Triple shield with tinned copper plus ground wire plus aluminum foil make sure faster data transfer without EMI electromagnetic interference. Top reviews from the United States. It was a good buy. I really like this. It was a good buy. I bought 2 of these. So I won't be needing any more for a very long time hopefully. Highly recommend.